Yes, so Madam Pekle Africa don't come again. I always stay here and now from the goodness of my heart. Now they dish out this good news for you. Today good news, we dey right in Woji. For just in front of Sound City Estate and Paradise Estate. You dey see the kind fine buildings where they here. See this land where I stand on top like this, the land dey for sale, all the way from Mercy Divine Properties Limited. And now Madam Pekle Africa, they bring the good news for you. All you need to do to get this land now to call me on 090-3429-6519. You see this land there, a plot is going for 30 million naira. Now give away price, but if you want more than one plot, make you just call me. We know how we go run now. You dey hear me so? This lad is sweet me because he gets your vote. For River State here, inside Port Harcourt town, heart of Port Harcourt. Call me because if you delay, I will tell you say the land don't finish. That time, make you no come regret. You understand? Follow me, make you see the land. See Paradise Estate for there. You dey see am? See Paradise Estate too. See them, very fine. See fine buildings. The land is already fenced. It's already fenced. All you need to do is to bring your contractor or you contract the house to a builder, a developer. They go just build that for you. See Sound City Estates now.
Sun City.
You never hear of Sun City before? One of the biggest estates in Port Harcourt, River State. Let you quickly come and Pekle Africa because this kind of good news I not go pass without giving you. You know, say anyhow I be, I must give you the good news. So I dey wait for you. Call me. You know the number, Abi? 090-3429-6519. Madam Pekle, dey wait for you. See am now.